Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to install Canva as an app on Windows. So to start, go ahead and open any browser, then go to the search bar and search for Canva. Press enter, then click on the first one that appears. Now once you open Canva, you can sign in if you want, but you don't have to. So what you can do is click the three dots at the top right. Now scroll down to the bottom. And if you see Cast, Save, and Share, go ahead and click on that. Then it will show you options. Look for Install Page as App, then tap on that. So once you click that, so here it will ask you to install. So click on Install. You can also rename it. So once you click Install, it will be installed right away on your Windows. Now, if you're using another browser like Microsoft Edge, so open Microsoft Edge. Then from here, search for Canva. Press enter. So click on the first one. Make sure it's the official website. Next, click the three dots at the top right. Then from here, look for apps. If you can't find it, look for more tools. Then you will see the apps option. So hover over apps, and here it will show you or it will appear this one. So it says install this site as an app. So click on that and click on install. You can also rename it. So click on install and wait for it to be installed. And that's it. So click on allow. So you can sign into your Canva account and use it as usual. And that's basically it. So that's how you can install Canva as an app on Windows. You can also pin it to taskbar. So right click on it, then click pin to taskbar at the bottom. And that's it. I hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching.